So I want you to take a look at my office really quick, and I'm going to show you why I'm never going to work a 9 to 5 and how I'm going to enjoy the rest of my life being able to do what I want, work from anywhere I want, and it only took 3 skills and 3 income streams to achieve that. In this video, I'm going to break down those 3 income streams, but most importantly, I'm going to share those skills that I invested in to be in a situation that created leverage and has now allowed me to have that situation where I can do what I want with who I want at any time I want. This basically comes down to my 3 pillars of actual wealth: time freedom, financial freedom, and location independence. Now, again, in this video, I want to share the actual skills, but most importantly, the actual income streams that you can use today to start building the life that you want. Now, if this is your first time seeing me and you want to learn how to earn from anywhere from somebody who's been doing this for over 15 years, then hit subscribe, follow along, and I'll be putting out new videos every single week. Now, kicking things off, what are those 3 skills that are essential that I've used to build a life of freedom, to build life on my own terms? Number 1 is just having the confidence and independence to do stuff yourself, meaning you have the reliance and motivation to do whatever you can to get something done. When things hit the fan, when things are going the wrong way, you're literally able to overcome those hurdles because this path is going to be more challenging. You need to have that self-reliance. You need to have that self-motivation when nobody is checking in on you to get your job done, to get your task. You need to have that skill set built in, and that is probably one of the most important things that is going to be needed if you want to become an entrepreneur and if you want to actually build true freedom and wealth. The second skill is sales. Understanding how sales, psychology, and building relationships work is one of the most important skill sets for running any business and elevating yourself to the next level. Whether you're an employee or an entrepreneur, you need to be good at sales. It's one of these skill sets that if you're trying to climb the corporate ladder or if you're trying to build a business, if you don't understand sales, you're going to stay small and you're going to stay stuck. Last but not least is marketing. Understand the core fundamentals of marketing are going to help make everything easier. And my approach has primarily been inbound marketing, where you're creating content, resources, and just an approach that attracts people to your realm. Instead of reaching out to people through DMs, cold email, all those types of things, you have people who are actually reaching out to you for your help, assistance, but essentially help them with any problem that you're able to solve. Now, the way that I actually developed the majority of these skills was I actually had somebody pay me to do it, which is the best case scenario. I started off doing sales, then I started off doing marketing. I got an MBA and basically got a full ride to go study my MBA in marketing. There's a lot of opportunities to learn, absorb, and basically get all of these skill sets paid for by a company, by an employer, and that's what I typically recommend for most people. Spend the first 5-10 years of your career. Again, you learn, you absorb, and then you give back tenfold. And that's going to be the one thing, the one sort of element that really will expedite this whole process. If you're able to take 10 oranges from the pile and then a few weeks later give back 20, 30, or even 100 oranges to the group, you will never go poor. You will never go without work. And that mindset of abundance is going to change your life. And that's how I approach every single thing I get involved in, from friends, family, relationships, to businesses and entrepreneurial journeys. I try to give 100-fold of what I take because that always puts me in a position where I'm giving more than I'm taking back. And this is long-term thinking. It doesn't always pay dividends right away. I've had these dividends paid off 5, 10, 15 years later, but I know in the long term, I'm going to outperform everyone else who is just a taker.
If you guys like that part, you're going to love this. I'm giving away my best-selling book for absolutely free, and here's how you can get the audiobook in just a few seconds. Inside this book is the same techniques I've used to work abroad in paradise in more than 100 different countries. And the best part, this strategy hasn't just worked for me, it's helped hundreds of thousands of people earn more, work less, and travel the world. I'll leave a QR code here where you can get the audiobook for free with a free 30-day Audible subscription.
Now, moving on to the income streams that you can develop, and the ones that I've actually developed for the past 10, 15 years that have served me well to basically give me the skill sets and sort of monetization models to never have to work a 9 to 5 again. Starting off at number 1 is consulting. Consulting is probably one of the easiest ways to build that side hustle income because if you're good at sales, marketing, or any other sort of unique skill set, you're going to be good at consulting. You'll likely have some sort of industry knowledge that you can take to the consulting realm and and you could add an extra 20-30% on top of your current job or income, and then you can slowly build up clientele. You can get results, you can get case studies, and all of those things are going to be bundled up together and help you build your next entrepreneurial journey, whether you do full-time consulting or you build some sort of product that helps people in that niche. Consulting is the best way to learn because you get paid additional income. You don't necessarily have to do the actual fulfillment unless you want to be charging people for that, but you also learn a lot. What actually works, what type of clients you like working with. And again, you start off slow, just try to get that first client, build it out, make sure that that person is 1,000% happy, ask for referrals, make sure that they're getting results, and then you just keep expanding. You go from 1 client to 2 clients to 4 clients and so on. Consulting's a great path, but again, there are some limitations. So the next path is going to be even more important. Once you've kind of maxed out your time to hour ratio, meaning that you're working 60 or 80 hours a week, you've really optimized your time to income ratio. It's time to start looking to cash flow that money that you've been earning into a better vehicle. Now, the better vehicle is really going to change. There's stocks, there's cryptos, there's REITs, there's all these different investment vehicles out there. But in my opinion, since you have a skill set that you've been developing, buying an online business is likely the best option for you. The great thing about this is a lot of times it's cutting out that 2, 3, 4 years of grunt work getting something off the ground. It has the product market fit, it has the customer base, and it already has that proof of concept, meaning it's going to be a lot faster. Now, there's a few paths to go for acquisitions. I've personally consulted and helped brokered and also acquired my own portfolio of more than $120 million of online businesses. And one of the gaps that I've seen in the market is there's the person who's busy. They're working the 60, 80 hours. They don't want to add in additional work, but they want that additional cash flow, and they've got the capital to do it, but they just don't want to operate a business. And so this is the biggest gap in the market. And essentially, it's why I've created Dividends, a platform and sort of concept where we take your capital and we essentially put it to work on a bigger, larger deal. We acquire a larger business and then pay you monthly and quarterly dividends. And again, this isn't a pitch for that. I'll leave another video and another link below if that's something you're interested in. We can get on a call and I'll walk you through it. But this is the mindset you need to have. Where can you take your money that you're earning, put it to work for you, and increase your capital without having to increase your workload? This is the mindset you need to have. You need to take out spreadsheets. You need to have those slow, long-term investments, but then you need to have a portion of your capital that you can distribute to other things that are actually going to cash flow you additional income. And this is why Dividends is going to disrupt the entire financial marketplace. Now, the final income stream that I think everyone needs to develop is one, if you've already built the consulting business, you likely understand some certain niche. Then 2, you've maxed out buying into income streams that are actually cash flowing. The third step is going to be building something of your own. And what I suggest is figure out what were all the problems that came along when you were giving consulting advice. What were those things that you wish, like, hey, if I just had this course, this sheet, this workflow, this calculator, this tool, whatever that is, try to build a very simplified version of that. Sell it for $100, sell access to it for $100 per month, $1,000 per year, and try to pitch it to your consulting clients as an additional upsell. They'll give you really good feedback and they'll tell you pretty quickly if this is actually something they need and does it really solve a problem that they're having. So building some type of digital product that can really scale, doesn't require additional time from you, and is also going to solve a real problem that you've learned in your industry and for your consulting clients. This is exactly the process I followed with my best-selling book, Global Career, and it's helped hundreds of thousands of people achieve this same process of living and working abroad. So if you want to enjoy all of these resources, I'll leave the links below. But again, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned just one thing, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll leave another video up here that was hand-selected just for you. See you in the next one.